Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we will unbox this iPhone 12 Pro. So as you can see, this is the box. Manipis siya and color black. Sobrang ganda and straightforward nung box niya. Sige, buksan na natin. There you go. Yung box niya is matte, parang may pagka-matte finish and naka-emboss ng konti itong phone na ito. Then sa side meron nakalagay na iPhone, tapos merong Apple logo din. Tapos that's it. That's it for the box. And let's open it. So once na inopen nyo na yung box, makikita nyo na agad yung iPhone 12 Pro, which is sobrang straightforward. Out of the box, kitang-kita mo na yung super glorious color na Pacific Blue, which is new color of the iPhone 12 series. Then, instead of pure plastic yung naka-cover dun sa screen ng iPhone, kung mapapansin natin, paper material yung gamit nila for this model and merong label kung para saan yung button or port na iyon, which is meron na power button or lightning port. So, ipil lang natin to. There you go, that's the iPhone 12 Pro out of the box. So, after ng iPhone 12 Pro, makikita nyo na agad yung cable which is Lightning to USB-C. Walang power brick sa box, so kailangan natin bumili ng another power brick for this one kasi yung mga power brick natin, 'di ba, USB-A yung port niya. So, kailangan natin ng USB-C for this one. Then, few paperworks. Then, meron ka ding isang Apple logo sticker na pwede mong gamitin kahit saan. So, that's how simple it is sa pag-unbox ng iPhone 12 Pro. Next is this USB-C 20-watt power adapter from Apple na kaya nila tinanggal yan kasi they want to conserve environment. But syempre yung mga adapters natin dito is USB-A pa. And yung included na cable sa ating iPhone 12 Pro is Lightning to USB-C. So we need this power brick. So that's our unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, ginagamit ko na siya ngayon. Ayan. And so far, super nice nung usability niya, yung connectivity niya sa laptop ko. And so for today, I will give you 3 things na kinonsider ko before buying this phone. So I'm an Android user for the past 3 years or so. Hindi lang tong Samsung Note 8 na phone yung ginamit ko for the past few years na Android. And marami pang iba. But the reason why kailangan kong bumili is natanggal na yung power button and yung volume button. So hindi na siya pwedeng mamatay kasi kapag na-empty bat na to, hindi ko na siya mabubuksan. So first consideration na tinignan ko is connectivity. Right now, I'm using MacBook Pro laptops like yung personal laptop ko, MacBook Pro 15 inches. Yung gamit namin ngayon is yung MacBook Pro na may touch bar. So lahat ng pinag-e-editan ko, lahat ng ginagamit ko for work is nasa Apple ecosystem. So, nung gamit ko tong Samsung Note 8, I need to connect it first dun sa USB-C port niya papunta sa laptop ko. Or ini-email ko yung mga artworks for me to be able to post it on different social media platforms. So, that's the reason why unang kinonsider ko ngayon is yung connectivity para maging mas efficient yung workflow ko when it comes to editing or content creation. So next is battery. Pinagpipilian ko kasi yung Note 20 Ultra and tong iPhone 12 Pro. Kung makikita natin sa specs is mas malaki talaga yung battery ng Note 20 Ultra, but nag-search ako sa internet kung sino ba yung mas maganda or optimize yung pagkain ng battery niya, and nakita ko na mas maganda yung performance ng battery ng iPhone 12 Pro. Since ginagamit ko nga tong Samsung Note 8 for the past few years, although malaki yung battery niya, medyo malakas talaga kumain ng power source yung battery nito. And hopefully, kahit tumagal tong iPhone 12, unlike this one na even though 12% na yung battery, tapos magulat na lang ako, biglang mamamatay na yung phone. So, hopefully, pagka sa katagalan ng iPhone 12 Pro na gamit ko to, hindi siya maging ganon. Next consideration is the storage or yung memory. Since my work is all about content creation and social media posting. Madalas na in-store ko sa phone ko is mga high-res images and mga footages na kinunan ko using my camera and tina-transfer ko sa phone for me to be able to post it. And yung memory kasi nito is 64 gig lang. So, sa system pa lang tsaka sa mga apps na gamit ko, puno na siya. And wala nang space for my content. So, right now, kinonsider ko talaga yung storage niya. Kaya ang binili ko is iPhone 12 Pro na meron 256 gigabytes na storage capacity para if ever na kailangan ko ng mga high-res footages, hindi mapupuno agad yung phone ko. And hindi naman ako masyadong mag-game, so hindi ako maraming games mag-install sa phone. Madalas isa lang or dalawa for pastime or talagang ma-relax lang yung utak ko. Kaya hindi ako nagwo-worry na mapupuno yung storage ko because of games or other apps na naka-install. Halos lahat ng apps na naka-install sa iPhone ko is more of productivity, more of photo editing or photo transfer and emails, mga ganon, or YouTube content creation. So baka tanungin nyo ako bakit hindi ko kinonsider yung camera as my deciding factor sa mga phones. The reason why is for the past few years na gamit ko tong Samsung Note 8, yes, maganda yung camera nila. Yes, maraming magagandang phone ngayon na meron ng magandang camera. But I still prefer to use cameras as in yung mirrorless ko or DSLR cameras when it comes to shooting my content or especially mga food or pag nagta-travel kami. But having a good camera, maganda rin naman siya. Hindi naman natin sinasabi na hindi talaga natin ginagamit yung camera ng phone na to. Pero kunwari, nagkaroon ng gathering tas kailangan mo lang ng quick selfie or goofy, pwede na tong gamitin or pwedeng quick snapshot or quick documentation. I will use my phone camera. But when it comes to content creation, yung talagang pang-post sa Instagram ko or sa YouTube ko, ginagamit ko talaga is DSLR or mirrorless camera. That's the reason why hindi ko kino-consider yung camera ng mga phone this time. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope may natutunan ka or nagustuhan mo yung unboxing natin. Let me know in our comment box below kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng camera review of this iPhone 12 Pro, and we will do it as soon as possible. So once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, this channel is perfect for you. So you might want to consider clicking the subscribe button. Also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, you might want to visit my Buy Me a Coffee site. Malaking tulong po yun para sa future ng channel na to. So that's our video for today. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.